Want to know what the different lights mean on your Rondo 3 audio processor? Let's take a look.
Rondo 3 has two indicator lights which will illuminate or blink with different patterns and colors to indicate different conditions. The indicator light on the front of the processor is the main indicator light, and the indicator light on the back of the processor is the charging indicator light. The charging indicator light glows orange when Rondo 3 is charging. When the light goes off, Rondo 3 is charged. When Rondo 3 is switched on, the main indicator light will fade to white. This light will fade out when Rondo 3 is switched off. The main indicator light blinks blue after changing the program. One blink indicates program 1 is selected. Two blinks indicate program 2, and so on. If using the Fine-Tuner Echo remote control or Audio Key 2 app with your Rondo 3, the blue light will blink briefly every time a command is received by your processor. A short red blink means that the flight mode has been successfully activated. If the link monitoring function is activated, the light will blink green 3 times when Rondo 3 is placed over the implant. This shows that Rondo 3 is working correctly and is communicating with your implant. If you have an older generation implant like C40 or C40 Plus, the light will only blink green once. If activated by your audiologist, continuous short green blinks will indicate that Rondo 3 is communicating with your implant. Continuous short red blinks indicate that Rondo 3 is not communicating with your implant. Switch your audio processor off and on again, ensure it is charged and positioned over the correct implant. Any other indicator light signals suggest that there may be a technical issue with your Rondo 3. Contact your CI center for further assistance.
And that's it. For an at-a-glance overview of the light patterns, visit medal.com/support.